Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. I want to continue the series in teaching you how to play various hymns. In today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the hymn Holy, 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 written by Reginald Heber in 1861. Very popular hymn that's used in churches throughout. Very easy to play. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chords that I'll be using to teach you this song. So let's get started. Holy, holy, Lord God Almighty, early in the morning our song shall rise to thee. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. Okay, very easy song to play, just using pretty much common chords that you should already know, but we'll be going over those chords just in case you don't know how to play these particular chords. Of course, you may have noticed I've used a capo on this song. It's played originally in G, so I put the capo on the 2nd fret because singing this song in G, it was a little bit low for me. So feel free to use it with or without the capo, just to fit your vocal range on that. So I'm going to keep it, for sake of this lesson, I'm going to keep it on the 2nd fret, and we'll still be using the same chord shapes that we're describing to you. Okay, so chords used in this song are G major, E minor, D major, C major, A major, A7, and D7. Okay, we'll just take a quick review on how to play these chords. Looking at G major, first finger goes on string number 5 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 2 goes on the very top E string, 6th string on the 3rd fret. And then your little finger, finger number 4, goes on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. That is G major. Okay, to play E minor, finger number 2 goes on string number 5 of the 2nd fret. And then finger number 3 goes directly below that on string number 4, also on the 2nd fret. And you want to strum all strings. Allow the very top E string to ring out. E minor. Okay, the next chord is D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, the next chord is C major. To play this chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string. Just kind of mute it with your thumb, or you can let this finger kind of touch and rest on that string. C major. Okay, the next chord is A major, and I use the bar of these 3 strings here. You want to bar strings 2, 3, and 4 on the 2nd fret. I use it by pressing down on my middle finger and just try to bend it to allow that bottom E string to ring out. And you want to strum all strings but the top E string. And even if the bottom string doesn't ring out, that'll be fine. You can just hit those 3 strings. Okay, Of course, other ways you can play it are placing all the fingers here on the second fret, finger number 1 on string number 3, finger number 2 on string number 4, and then finger number 3 on string number 2, all in that second fret. It's another way to play A major. Or you can place finger number 1 on string number 4, finger number 2 on 3, and 3 on 2, all on the second fret. Play A major that way. I just find it easier. Most of the time I play it using the bar. Okay, so that is A major. A7, you just want to lift off on string number 3. So you want to place finger number 2 on string number 4, the second fret, finger number 3 on string number 2 of the third fret, or the second fret, I'm sorry, and then strum all strings but the top E string. That is A7. Okay, so if you're playing A like this, you could just lift off finger number 1 and you'll have A7. Or if you're playing A major with 3 fingers in a row like that, you would just lift off your middle finger to get A7. Okay, to play D7, this is the last chord. You place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the first fret, finger number 2 on string number 4, string number 3 of the second fret, and then finger number 3 on the first string on the second fret, and strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D7. Usually you'll use D7 transitioning from the D major chord. Okay. All right, that makes up all the chords for this song. The strumming pattern used for this song is just a 4/4 rhythm. There's 4 beats per measure. So in other words, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and you want to strum down on the numbers and then strum up in between the numbers. Okay, so you just want to use a down up, simple, smooth down up rhythm. Down up, down up, down up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we'll play this in G here. Okay, so let's look at the chord progression above, and we'll just I'll kind of talk you through that first verse. So it's holy, 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 Lord God Almighty. Early in the morning, our song shall rise to Thee. Merciful and mighty God in 3 persons, blessed Trinity. Okay, if you notice, my right hand just stayed that same rhythm, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're changing chords pretty frequent on the verse, but they're not difficult to play. So let's play through that chorus one more time, or that verse one more time, and I'll kind of talk you and not sing as much this time. So it's through the chords. Holy, E minor, D, G, C, G, D major, E minor, D, A, A7, D, D7. So all those chords are pretty fast right there. So our morning, early in the morning, our song. So we're just doing those one beat. Our song shall rise to Thee. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty God in 3 persons, blessed Trinity. Okay. All right. Let's play the last verse of this song. So we'll look at that, and I'll just kind of sing through it. I'll play it slow, just for sake of learning and going slow, and you can play along as well as I do that. Okay. The verse here. Ready? Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty. All the works shall praise thy name in earth and sky and sea. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. So of course this song has 3 or 4 verses. You could sing all those verses, but just a very, very beautiful, worshipful hymn that we serve a holy God. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button. That means a lot to me, and just kind of shows that you're agreeing with the lessons that I'm teaching you. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel just for your support. There's no obligation, it's free. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when I upload new videos. I typically try to give you 2 to 3 lessons per week. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. I appreciate your support as well. So you have a great day. God bless you. Thank you for joining me.